Those are two of my high voltage capacitors, microwave oven capacitors, that a friend gave it to me. He was throwing those in the garbage, but I take it from him. So yeah, I can touch it because it's discharged. But you don't do that. You will die if you do that. And never use two hands to touch this, because you will die hand to hand and can cause heart failure. This is 2100 volt AC, 0.95 microfarad. It has a 10 megohm resistor inside. I have seen one of these because I have opened one of these before, and it has a smelly oil. And this is film resistor. Also is the capacitor sheets inside with a film insulator. This is 50 to 60 Hertz. It says no PCB because it's mounted with cable lugs here. You can connect them in parallel because it has 3 terminals. You can also connect them in series or something else, how you will need. So let's go to this capacitor. It's 1 microfarad. This was 0.95 and this is 1 microfarad. It has this resistor, but it doesn't specify. It's 2100 volts, so 2.1 kilovolts. As you can see, it can durable minus 10 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius. But this one, it doesn't specify well because it's in the code. All specification is in the code. So those are both mine. I will use it in high voltage projects. Later I will take a microwave from a neighbor and I will make some high arcs from that mode. Also playing with the magnetron and playing with fuses and something else. Have a nice day, guys. Stay safe and don't forget to subscribe.